Well, my father grew up in an Orthodox home, and my mother grew up in a home also Jewish. All of my grandparents are Jewish, but not at all religious. Both in Oak Park, a suburb of Detroit, they grew up. And my mom always says that in order to marry my father, who grew up Orthodox, she had to convert, which she didn't. I mean, she was Jewish, but she had to sort of adopt a lifestyle that was not a part of her upbringing. Although she was raised in a very Jewish home, and she always stresses that, that although it wasn't a home of ritual, there was always, she said Sunday, I think particularly, was a day where my grandmother would play records, Jewish music, just loudly through the house. And the house was filled with this Jewish spirit, this Yiddishkeit. And she was raised by these secular Jews, both actors actually, my maternal grandparents, career actors in Detroit, as a very culturally, richly culturally Jewish person. And together, she and my father made a home that sort of, they met in the middle kind of. And I attended day school. They actually sent me, the fourth child. I have 3 older brothers. None of them went to day school. They all went to public school. Except for me, starting in first grade, they sent me off to day school. And people always ask them, why did you decide for the youngest to finally send them? And they say, I guess we just got wise in our old age. They realized that it was truly important to have this intensive Jewish immersion as part of a schooling curriculum, which my brothers didn't receive. So I'm very grateful for that, because I feel I'm a much more, I'm grateful for, I feel I'm an informed, sort of grounded Jew, knowledgeable in Hebrew and in Tanakh and Talmud, and I'm glad to have a Jew with all of this behind me that I can build upon.